Hello creators! Today, we're diving into 5 exciting ways to turn your Glowforge into a money-making machine. Whether you're crafting personalized gifts or offering custom engraving services, the possibilities are endless. Let's get started. First up, selling online. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Shopify are fantastic for showcasing your laser-cut and engraved creations. From personalized jewelry to custom home decor, the online market is vast and waiting for your unique products. Next, hit the local scene. Craft fairs and markets are not only a great way to sell your items but also to connect with the community and other local artisans. Ensure your booth stands out with eye-catching displays and a variety of your best-selling items. Now, let's talk services. Offering custom engraving can turn ordinary items into extraordinary keepsakes. Whether it's engraving a special message on jewelry or customizing tech gadgets, your Glowforge can add a personal touch that customers love. Forge partnerships with local businesses. From custom signage to promotional items, your Glowforge can create branded merchandise that businesses need. Offer packages or discounts for bulk orders to entice larger projects and ongoing collaborations. And fifth, share your knowledge. Hosting workshops or classes allows you to share your skills while earning extra income. Whether it's teaching design for laser cutting or guiding a hands-on crafting session, your expertise is valuable and in demand. And those are 5 creative ways to monetize your Glowforge. Remember, your creativity and innovation are your biggest assets in turning these ideas into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Glowforge. Happy creating!